99 here. We will be playing a bit of Minecraft, and today's episode is going to be on Quick Build. I am joined here with Zombie Leader 56 and Grind Carnage, and today we're going to be seeing them do their building as I'm going to spectate them. Right, each of you take a side, and then I'll tell you what your subject is. So Zombie Leader, you come into this arena, and alright, go in this arena, it don't really matter. Right.
Okay.
The subject of today is gonna be boats. Okay?
Wait, can you repeat that again?
The subject of today, what you gotta build is boats or boat. Yeah?
Okay, boats.
Then the viewers will comment in the section and tell which one wins, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Right, you have 5 minutes.
Okay.
You have 5 minutes to build your boat. Then we'll get them judged, and I will spectate you. Right, ready? Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Okay, so since we're doing boats, okay. Inspiration, thinking. Can I submit this as my creation?
No, you've got to build an actual boat. And no, I know that's a boat, but you're not allowed to use it.
Okay.
Carnage's boat is coming along very well. How confident you feeling?
Build from the parts of the cabin.
You're a bit quiet.
I'm going for the parts in the cabin.
All right. You have 4 minutes left.
Oh, crap. I don't know how to build boats.
Yeah. You might want to start building something.
Inspiration.
His boat is looking very good. Actually, I'm feeling very generous today. I'll give you 10 minutes. So you still got 9 minutes to go.
No, we don't need no 10 minutes.
You sure?
No. Let's go back to the 5 minutes.
5 minutes,
Yeah,
okay.
let's go back to the 5 minutes.
So you got 4 minutes left still. So
I don't
far,
get why you could pick like a clubhouse or something.
so far, Zombie Leader has built a stripper pole. I think that's a stripper
It's a
pole.
life raft, okay? Don't judge.
It's a light raft.
Hashtag life raft for the win.
Yeah. And Rampage has
And
built
whatever that is.
a big
No one knows
boat
what
bottom. You have 3 minutes left. I repeat, 3 minutes left.
Oh, okay.
Carnage ain't speaking much. He's very concentrating.
Yeah.
I did offer to give you 10 minutes, but
We don't need 10 minutes. You see, now I'm gonna get all hate in the comment section just because I don't know how to make a boat. Disability! I have a disease, okay? Dyslexia.
2 minutes left. I repeat, 2 minutes.
Okay, it's going down. My boat's going down pretty good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's getting there.
What's so funny? What's so funny, mister?
Getting there.
You know, I'm sorry, yeah, I know. Some people have talent and some don't. I'm sorry that you don't have the talent to make a boat.
Alright, 2 minutes left.
It's okay.
What I'll do, as they're quite short, what we'll do I'll take a good look at these, record this one, then we'll do 2 contests today. So once you've built this and we give the viewers what they're looking for, then we'll do another one, yeah, on a different subject.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, thank you. That would help.
But I'm not going to be building today. I'm going to let you two build and spectate you. You have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Oh gosh. Where are the stairs? Again, I said don't judge.
I'm not judging. I think it's very rafty.
Yes. Yes, thank you. It's very different, yes. My mommy tells me I'm special. Only if I knew how to place on a stair.
They're both looking very good. Rampage is going into detail.
Yeah, I am too. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, look at loving the red detail. One minute left.
Oh, I gotta hurry up with this detail. I swear, if I get a single, like, hate message, I'm just gonna kill myself. Come on, guys, hashtag zombie for the win.
Nice. Hashtag squid. Since when do I have the nickname Squiddy? I'm bloody Jesus, as you can see.
Oh. Wait, how many more
10,
seconds left? I
9,
accidentally broke a block.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop building. Stop building. That's it.
I gotta put down the
No,
sign.
that's it.
I
Stop
did put down
building.
the sign.
Anything you add goes. No, anything you add gets broken. Right, go. Go stand over by there where you started. Go back over there where you started.
I was gonna add the dinghy.
No.
Okay.
Go stand over there.
I gotta.
Right.
Stupid cow. See,
Right. Back over here.
this cow.
Right.
You know what? You wanna see what I think of
Zombie
your
leader,
kind?
how did you find that?
Quite hard. I didn't finish my builder.
I never knew he could speak without things. Yeah, zombie leader, how did you find that?
Wait, what?
How did you find building the boat?
You know, I found it pretty easy, you know, once you got the inspiration, you know, my inspiration, yes, it was easy, you see.
Alright.
Very easy.
And Brian, how did you find building the boat?
See, this is how
Really easy.
So I'm gonna give the viewers a look of each other's boats. If you both like to come over here and Zombie Killer can give his description of his boat first.
Well, can I give you a grand tour of my dinghy?
Yes, we'll let you give us a grand tour of your dinghy.
Well, obviously there's no way in, you know. In a life endangerment, you can just break a block. Just get in quick. Of course, place the block back. And then you just find your comforts of home. You know, if you're like sitting in wood all day for the next 3 weeks, you know. It has no food or water, but you have torches. Redstone torches.
Alright, it sounds all good. That's that. Right, go over to Carnage's one. Right, give us a tour of yours, Carnage.
Well, this is the flag. And this is where the captain goes.
Very
Gets
nice.
a bit lonely, so he can sit by himself. And you can drive the boat up here.
With a stick.
And there you go.
It looks very good. Give him a view tour of the boat. Or like, I'll see it's got a little
Well,
steering thing, whatever you call them. Rudder. I think it's called a rudder. I'm not 100% sure, but. Anything like that? Alright, so viewers, comment in the comments and see what ones you think better. And let's see who's either the winner, either Zombie or Grind. Right, we're going to do another one, because these are quite short videos. I'm going to do another test. And see who can win the second one. And see if they can pull it back. Where's Flint and Steel? Has anyone got the flint and steel? I need the flint and steel. Oh, it's under.
you see, my bow will last long.
Yeah, just about it. This is why you should not play with fires when you're on a boat. As you can
See, this is only for professionals.
Professionals.
Yeah, you see, this is why you go to school, kids. So you can learn how to spell. Don't skip school.
Don't do drugs either.
Unless your parents say you're allowed to. No, that's okay, You can do that, whatever you want. No. A little bit there, a little bit here, you know, it doesn't hurt no one. Wait, no, that wasn't in the script. It looks like we gotta restart this video, man. I broke the script.
Oh well, shame. That's it for this video, guys, because I don't know how long. I think it's been like 10 minutes or so. I'm not quite sure how long this video was. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, write a comment and subscribe to my channel for more gaming updates. Peace out.